Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to talk about the Cyatophilum SmartStrategy indicator. It has a lot of new features that you can use to create any kind of strategies. You can create your entry condition, your exit condition, set a stop loss, take profit, and also safety orders. So let's dive into it. So I'm going to disable the stop loss and the take profit. And let's say I want to create a MACD strategy. I'm going to need to add the MACD indicator. Yes, I'm using an indicator from the TradingView library. This is a new thing. We can connect any kind of indicator to the strategy. That will allow us to create any kind of strategy we can think about, basically. That's the goal, at least, of the indicator right now. So here I got the MACD line in blue, the signal line. Let's say I want to create an entry when MACD line crosses over the signal line. I will go into the indicator settings. Here in the entry condition, I'm going to select the MACD line and I will make it cross over the signal line. But to create trades, I need also an exit condition, so I'm just going to use the MACD cross under signal line. And we should have a strategy ready. So here on this bar, for example, we get a crossover, so we get an entry on the next open of the bar. And you also get an exit when the MACD line cross under the signal. By default, you can weight the labels you want to see things better. You can see the backtesting result here, so it's not really good. You can see, I think it's mostly due to commission that I set by default to the one of Binance. I changed a lot of things. I recommend to leave the commission. To use the commission based on your exchange you're using. As you can see, MACD strategy is not working really good on 5-15 minutes. We dive into the daily. Better. Engagement better used with MACD on the higher time frames because it's a lagging indicator. Anyway, once you have that, you can go back to more time frames. Let's say I don't want to use exit condition. Just leave it this. Okay, so now we remove the exit condition. Say instead I want to use stop loss, just turn it on, set a percentage. But I will also need a take profit, otherwise you can stay stuck in the trade. So let's set take profit at 1. There we go. We got our risk management settings. Regarding the take profit, you can add any kind of number you want. You can set 2 lines to take profit targets. So as you can see, the order size will be split equally between the take profit lines. So by one contract, exit and first target with 0.5 and second another 0.5. And you can go with any number of take profit you want. You can change the percentage if you want smaller take profits. And you can also use safety orders if you want. So it will work. You set the order size here for your safety orders. Here I set 1 contract, for example. We can see that it creates a line below the entry. when price breaks this line, it will create a new order, so it will add one more contract. So once we get safety orders, we get the average price, which is lower, so take profit we adjust. It's because we have the take profit type of percentage from total volume. If you don't want this, you can use percentage from base order simply, and the take profit will not move. So something I can use any number of safety orders I want. If I want to use 5, create things like this, right? And that's basically for now the main features of the indicators. So of course it's going to be updated. My goal is that I want to be able to create any kind of strategy easily using any kind of indicator from the library. Thanks to these settings right here and these gates, you can I can combine multiple condition. For example, I want to add a trend filter condition like this. I'm going to add a trend line that I like is T3. I'm going to increase the period a bit so we can see better. Okay, so we have our line and create trend filter condition. I will change the gate here to end, and I will select the T3 line, and I want it rising for 1. And now we got our trade entries that are removed when the trend line is red, so not rising. It can be interesting filter trades that are not in the market. Those are the main features of the indicator. Now, once you get your strategy ready, you can use alerts to receive signals based on all the events on the strategy. If you only want to receive entry and exits, you can disable like this alerts. For example, on this strategy, we're not using the exit, we're using stop loss, take profit, and DCA, so we will use stop loss, take profits, and safety orders, like this. Once we're good, so this is the place where you write the message for your alert. Okay. You have also the trigger tip. If you are not sure about it, just leave it to default. Okay. Once you're done, you click create alert from the 3 dots and select alert function only, and that's it. Click create and you get your alert. It will appear here, the alert tab. If you have any question, you can chat with me in the Discord. I put a link in the description of the video. And if you want to try the indicator, I welcome you to go on my website for more information. Thanks for watching and see you next time.